Hello and welcome to Make Money Territory. Today, we're venturing into the exciting landscape of cryptocurrency with a specific focus on Litecoin, commonly known as LTC. Currently, Litecoin is showing a bullish trend, trading near the $100 mark. Despite experiencing an intraday drop, it's interesting to note that Litecoin has yielded a monthly return of nearly 8% and an impressive yearly return close to 17%. In the next few minutes, we'll be exploring the potential growth of Litecoin and how it could potentially outperform its current standing. To give us a more comprehensive understanding, we'll be discussing the insights provided by finance expert Amanda Shenoy. So buckle up and prepare for an enlightening journey into the world of Litecoin. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the promising world of Litecoin. Let's kick things off by looking at Litecoin's current performance. Litecoin, often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, is making some rather interesting strides in the crypto market. It's currently trading near the $100 mark. Now, despite experiencing an intraday drop of 4.78%, it's important to note that this is a common occurrence in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Yet, Litecoin seems to have a knack for bouncing back. It's demonstrated this resilience through its monthly return of 7.89%. That's right, in just 1 month, Litecoin has managed to increase its value by nearly 8%, which is quite a feat considering the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market. Now, if we take a step back and look at the bigger picture, Litecoin's yearly return sits at an impressive 16.89%. This means that those who invested in Litecoin a year ago would have seen their investment grow by almost 17%. Not a bad return, wouldn't you agree? But what about the hard numbers? Well, Litecoin boasts a market cap of $7.17 billion. To give you a sense of scale, that's larger than the GDP of some countries. And let's not forget about the total supply of Litecoin, which currently stands at 73.68 million. This limited supply is one of the many factors that contribute to Litecoin's value. On a side note, it's worth mentioning that Litecoin's performance isn't just about the numbers. It's also about the technology behind it, its adoption rate, and how it's being used in the real world. But we'll delve into that in another discussion. These numbers paint a promising picture for Litecoin. But what does the future hold? Now, let's turn our attention to what analysts predict for Litecoin. The future looks bright for Litecoin, with a potential surge predicted to take the coin to heights above the $110 mark. This isn't just a shot in the dark. It's backed by some solid technical indicators. We're talking about a higher high structure and trendline support that's been observed in Litecoin's recent trading patterns. These are bullish indicators, suggesting an upward trend is on the horizon. A higher high structure in trading terms means that each successive peak in Litecoin's price is higher than the last. This is a promising sign, indicating that the coin's value is on an upward trajectory. The trendline support, meanwhile, is the line drawn along the lowest points of the price, which also seems to be climbing. This means that even when Litecoin's price dips, it doesn't go as low as it did before, another bullish signal. But the positive signs don't stop there. Technical indicators are also suggesting an optimistic outlook for Litecoin. These are statistical measures used by traders to forecast future price movements. They're like the weather radar of the cryptocurrency world. And right now, they're showing sunny skies ahead for Litecoin. Let's talk about support and resistance levels. These are like invisible barriers that the price of a coin has trouble getting past. Litecoin's current support levels are at $90 and $82. This means that even if the price dips, it's likely to bounce back once it hits these levels. On the flip side, the resistance levels are at $100 and $110. These are the price points that Litecoin is striving to break through. Once it does, it's likely to keep climbing, like a rocket breaking through the atmosphere. These predictions suggest that Litecoin may be on the brink of a significant surge. So for those of you who have been eyeing the crypto market, now might be a good time to take a closer look at Litecoin. The future, as they say, is looking quite promising. What do experts have to say about Litecoin's potential growth? Let's find out. When it comes to understanding the ever-fluctuating world of cryptocurrencies, expert opinions can offer a fresh perspective. One such expert offering invaluable insights is Amanda Shenoy. a seasoned finance professional who has been closely monitoring Litecoin's performance. Shinoy is bullish about Litecoin's potential growth. Despite the coin currently trading near the $100 mark, she believes that it has the capacity to surge above the $110 mark. What makes her so confident, you ask? She backs her predictions with Litecoin's resilient higher high structure and trendline support. These technical indicators, according to Shinoy, suggest a positive outlook for Litecoin. But it's not just about the numbers. Shinoy's optimism also comes from Litecoin's robust monthly and yearly returns. Despite an intraday drop of 4.78%, Litecoin boasts a monthly return of 7.89% and a yearly return of 16.89%. These figures, Shinoy suggests, underline the coin's potential for growth and its ability to deliver robust returns. Shinoy also points out the coin's market cap of $7.17 billion and a total supply of 73.68 million. These figures, she believes, further consolidate Litecoin's position in the crypto market and its potential to outperform. However, she also cautions investors about potential resistance levels at $100 and $110. While Litecoin's future looks promising, it's essential to keep these figures in mind when making investment decisions. In conclusion, Shinoy's insights paint a promising picture for Litecoin. Her analysis, backed by robust data and her understanding of the market, suggests that Litecoin's growth trajectory is on the upswing. As Shinoy points out, Litecoin's future looks bright. In conclusion, we've journeyed through the fascinating world of Litecoin today, delving into its current performance, future predictions, and expert insights. We've seen how Litecoin, standing near the $100 mark, has shown a bullish trend supported by a higher high structure and trendline support. Despite a minor intraday drop, Litecoin managed to secure a monthly return of nearly 8% and a yearly return of nearly 17%. This performance, coupled with a market cap of over $7 billion, places Litecoin as a strong player in the crypto market. Looking ahead, analysts predict a potential surge above $110, further bolstering the positive outlook for this cryptocurrency. Adding to this perspective, finance expert Amanda Shinoy provided valuable insights on Litecoin's potential growth. With its bullish trend and promising future predictions, Litecoin seems to be a strong contender in the crypto market. Thank you for joining us in the Make Money territory. Until next time, keep an eye on those coins.